In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to convert a string to a number. So let's say our str variable is set to the string of 5. So the first way to do it is to just do type of plus str, and now that's going to be a number. So basically, what that means is if I do console.log plus str, I'm going to convert it into a number. So another way to do this is, let's just copy these two to make it a bit faster. I can also do parse int on the string. And now if I do parse int on the str variable, I'm indeed going to get the number 5. So as you can see here, this first console log is sort of like my control, in the sense that I'm passing the value that I'm using, or the operation that I'm using to convert the str variable to a number. I'm prepending the type of operator before it, just to confirm that the value that I'm going to get is indeed a number. Okay, so let's continue. And another way to do it is to use the parse float on the string. And again, now when I run parse float on the string, I'm going to get, again, a number. And finally, there's a fourth way to do this. And the fourth way is to use the number constructor. So let's say type of number with a capital N, and this is still a number. And here I'm just going to console log the value of number str. Of course, this doesn't have to be so complicated. It is slightly complicated by the fact that I'm using the Quokka extension, which outputs the values of console logs right in VS Code. But essentially, the 4 ways to convert a string to a number are basically, given the str variable, we can do these 4 different things. So we can either use plus str, then we can use parse int on the str, parse float on the str, and finally using the number constructor on the str. That's it, a very simple exercise showing 4 different ways to convert a string to a number in JavaScript.